What's up everyone, it's Jordan back with another video, and today we're diving deep into the world of data centers. We just got back from Data Center World 2025 and let me tell you, the future of data is looking pretty wild. We're talking massive AI workloads, new regulations popping up left and right, and the constant push for sustainability. All of this is putting a ton of pressure on the data center industry to adapt and innovate like never before. So, in this video, we're breaking down the 5 biggest takeaways from the event, the stuff that's going to shape the future of data centers for years to come. Let's get into it. First up, let's talk about power. And no, I don't mean processing power, I mean straight up electricity. The sheer amount of energy these data centers consume is mind-blowing, and it's only going to increase as AI workloads explode. We heard from a bunch of experts who all agreed that securing reliable grid connections is absolutely crucial. But it's not just about getting enough power, it's about managing it efficiently. On-site power generation and battery storage are becoming essential, especially with the rise of renewable energy sources like solar and wind. These solutions aren't just good for the environment, they also provide a safety net in case the grid goes down. Think about it. Massive server farms running the latest AI models all while keeping the lights on with their own microgrids. It's like something straight out of a sci-fi movie. Remember when data center location was all about finding cheap land and tax breaks? Well, those days are over. The name of the game now is power availability. Companies are literally building data centers underground or next to power plants just to get access to the juice they need. We even saw some really interesting concepts like co-location with hydroelectric dams and even floating data centers powered by ocean currents. It's clear that the industry is getting creative to solve this power puzzle. And it's not just about the raw megawatts, it's also about reliability. Data centers need consistent, clean power to avoid costly downtime. So, we're seeing a big push for redundancy and backup systems with multiple power sources and intelligent distribution networks. Okay, so we've talked about the physical challenges of powering these data centers, but what about the digital landscape they operate in? Well, get ready for a whole new world of regulations, because data sovereignty is here to stay. Governments around the world are increasingly concerned about where data is stored and processed. This has led to a patchwork of different laws and regulations, making it a real headache for companies operating in multiple countries. Data centers now need to be flexible enough to comply with local regulations, which means having the ability to store data in specific geographic locations. This is leading to the rise of edge data centers, which are smaller facilities located closer to end users. Now, here's where things get really interesting. AI is not only driving the need for more powerful data centers, it's also playing a key role in making them more sustainable. We're talking about AI-powered cooling systems that optimize airflow and temperature in real time, reducing energy consumption significantly. Then there's dynamic power routing, where AI algorithms constantly adjust power distribution based on workload demands. This means no more wasted energy going to idle servers. But it's not just about efficiency. AI is also helping data centers harness renewable energy sources more effectively. For example, AI can predict weather patterns to optimize solar and wind power generation, ensuring a more reliable and sustainable energy supply. One of the biggest takeaways from Data Center World 2025 was the sheer uncertainty of what the future holds. Think about it. 15 years ago, did we know that AI would be the driving force behind data center design? Probably not. The point is, the technology landscape is constantly evolving. What we need are data centers that are flexible and adaptable enough to handle whatever the future throws at them. Think modular designs, software-defined infrastructure, and the ability to easily scale up or down as needed. The data centers of tomorrow won't just be bigger and more powerful, they'll be smarter, more efficient, and incredibly adaptable. So there you have it, the 5 biggest takeaways from Data Center World 2025. From grappling with power constraints to navigating the complex world of data sovereignty, one thing is clear. The data center industry is on the front lines of technological innovation. And as we generate more data than ever before, the need for efficient, sustainable, and adaptable data centers will only become more critical. The future of data is looking bright, but it's going to take some serious engineering to get there. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on our future deep dives into the world of tech. Until next time.